Hello, welcome to Kunst.
Helo a chroeso I Kunst. Taswn i'n disgrifio Kunst fatha mudiad neu sefydliad sy'n eisiau rhoi showcase I diwylliant dyn ni'n licio, celf, llyfrau, dramau, cerddoriaeth. Dwi eisiau gwybod Be fi'n credu sy'n eitha cool yn dod o Kunst ydy'r ffaith bod yn eitha cyflym, eitha guerrilla, DIY sort of current.
Kunst is a Germanic word and means art. And one of the key principles really was the bilingual approach, that I want the idea that Welsh language, art and culture isn't just for Welsh speakers. I'm half Danish and half Australian, but I've been living in Cardiff for about 10 years now. I came here originally to study, and I was studying history and creative writing. And as you do with Cardiff and Wales, you end up staying.
Nath fi ysar y cwrdd am y tro cyntaf, achos oedd hi'n ysgrifennu darn ar gyfer datblygu, a oedd eisiau barn fi amdano nhw a sio datblygu effeithio fi fel cerddor. So nath ni cwrdd ar ôl hwnna a dechrau mynd I gigs a jyst dechrau siarad am dictoriaeth.
I was writing for a few different publications in Wales, and I was writing mostly about art, about fine art. And then I wrote some articles, some features about Clwb y Lleithog and datblygu, and that led in to finding out more about the popular music and the alternative music scene in Wales and in Welsh language. It sparked that interest in discovering new music. Most of the bands that I listen to that are Welsh language are bands that where it's not just about the music, where there's an attitude and an energy. It obviously helps to understand what's being said, but then with Welsh, you do pick up words, so you can generally get a bit of a gist of what's being said in songs. But a lot of it is the energy and the attitude that I look for in music.
Tonight we're going to be heading down to Douglas Buildings in Cardiff Bay, where we're going to be filming our first artist talk. One of the things that I've always wondered with drummers is how do you start? Like, why do you decide that's the instrument for me? Because there's not usually a drum kit in the house, is there?
So the sgwrs drummers na, oedd hwnna yn un o'r artist talks na wedi bod yn neud. A pwrpas hwnna oedd jyst I glywed ongl fach gwahanol mewn cyfweliadau, achos anaml iawn wyt ti'n cael, drummer, furries, flaming lips, hwni dacs, I gyd yn mewn ystafell gyda'i gilydd.
It's like, damn, that sounds so cool, I want to do that.
I would definitely say that the highlight so far has been the interview we did with the three drummers, because that was just so much fun, and there was so much energy, and it was just really interesting people. So we're definitely going to be doing more of those. We're planning one really soon. Within the next few weeks, we're going to be doing one with guitarists, and we've got some really good guitarists lined up for this one, so that's going to be really exciting.
So dyn ni ar Twitter I roi chi sefyd diddordeb @iawn_kunst, dyn ni ar Facebook, gyda ni SoundCloud iawn Kunst, am a couple of tracks camau pellach. Lan fyna, jyst chwiliwch Kunst ar YouTube I weld o'n fideos ni, a bydd fi'n siŵr mwy o fideos gigs a cyfweliadau do lan y fian.